future, Amanda. It's cold. We are Amanda and Jace, and after driving our empty Sprinter van across Canada and moving out of our Toronto apartment, we've finally started our conversion. We were supposed to get married in September, but thanks to COVID, we've temporarily traded wedding plans for floor plans as we turn this van into our tiny home on wheels. This week, we knock on our van a lot as we install sound insulation and wish it was real insulation from the frigid temperature.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Another day, another van project. We're gonna start with the
sound deadening.
Yeah. There's snow now, so it's a bit cold. So we're thinking course of action, probably come in here, measure a few spots.
Amanda thinks that we can do all the hard work inside and have limited work in the van in the cold. I'm a little bit skeptical.
I don't think that we don't have to do all the hard work in the van. We still have to put it on in the van. I just think that we can measure and do all the cutting inside.
All right, let's try.
Oh, this box. This box is heavier than it looks. It looks like a tiny box, but it's actually like really heavy.
So we just got our sound deadening from Noiko on Amazon. We will put all the links of what we got on the description. And they also upsold us to these little rollers, which we weren't gonna get, but I think it will come in handy.
So it comes in the box, and then in the box they have all these sheets. They're actually quite heavy, and they have these little bubbles in them, and so there's an adhesive on the back. Idea is you stick it to the side and you roll it out with the little rollers, and you flatten all those little bubbles, and it's supposed to help with the sound. Sound test before we put anything on, right?
I feel like there's gonna be a lot of this during this process.
I think we got our measurements. Now, come along, no lollygagging.
We'll be back.
Will we? Will we be back? I don't know.
We're just gonna cozy up by the fire while we cut up all these to the right size.
It smells like vinegar in here.
But it's au natural.
While I was cozying up by the fire, Jason was cleaning and prepping the space. Good job.
Okay.
Time. Woo! I got that on camera. Jason knocked the tripod over.
Alright, we're good. So it does say in the instructions to do it above 10 degrees Celsius. Clearly it's not that outside today, so we're gonna, hopefully this works. The heat gun.
half the van. We left the other half empty because we're having a lot of fun comparing the two sides. I know everybody does this in videos, but it's pretty addicting to just like listen. Mind blowing. It's definitely taking up a lot of our time.
So we're both getting a little bit hangry. Amanda's already gone inside, but we're gonna take a little break and get some food in us. Got a little distracted yesterday, but we're back in the van today to finish the job.
What do you get distracted with?
We got distracted with not doing this.
Eating dinner?
Yeah, we can't eat dinner.
When I try to tell you how I feel, strange things happen to me. I lose my way. I don't know what to say. It's always like this, I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel tonight.
What you doing there? Was that your favorite tool?
My feet are cold. I'm working too. I'm done. I finished.
We're done the sound editing on the van. As you can see,
Knock test. So good. So good. 'Cause we knew we would have a few extra pieces, and so we left them, and everything that we had left over from cutting, we pasted, stuck on the wheel well. I feel like there's a lot of videos that we looked up of people doing this, and we didn't know how many boxes to get. So we
got 4, and
yeah, we
used
got
half.
we got 4, and we were originally like coming into this saying, let's see if we can use 3, and then we can return the other 2. I'm sorry, the other 1. Sorry, I'll say that again. Confusing. We got 3. We got 4.
How many did we get?
We got 4, and we came into this thinking, let's see if we can use 3 and return the other 1. But we actually only used 2, and we didn't even have to try that hard. So anybody who's, I mean, this is a 170 extended, so
Yeah.
anybody who's got a Sprinter van,
2 is cutting it, but it's enough. It's at least covered by, I would say 40-50%.
well, I mean, like, we got the whole ceiling. We even got some on the back doors. We got the side door. The only thing we didn't get was where we're gonna put our fan, where we're gonna put our windows, and we didn't do the floor either.
Should be fine though.
Yeah, so we see some people do the floor. So if you want to do the floor, then 3 boxes should be enough. But now we're just kind of waiting for the windows. It's time to go to the drawing board and settle things up, I think.
We'll have to show you our latest plans. I think we're getting close.
All right, let's go. Christmas came early!
We have windows!
It's December 24th, so Christmas Eve. Santa dropped off windows.
We got windows and fans!
So these will be coming with us on our drive. All of Ontario is gonna go into lockdown, and we're gonna go stay with my family for a bit. But as you can see, it's gonna be a white Christmas, I think. Yay!
If the windows get crushed, stacked like this, we blame Amanda.
Happy holidays! It is December 29th. We haven't picked up the camera for a while because we have just been getting ready for Christmas, and even though it's different this year than we're used to, we're just trying to make the most of it. So we spent the last couple days baking and making some holiday treats, and we're gonna go do some porch drop-offs today, I think, in the van. So I think we're gonna ride the lockdown out here and do some stuff on the van, and yeah. So let's go drop off some treats today, and then maybe we'll tape out the layout later if there's time. Holiday sweater is a must-have to drop off. Let's go. We gotta do drop-offs.
We gotta measure the van. I've set up our layout. Oh.
You broke the measuring tape? So we just got back home from doing our deliveries, and I haven't seen a lot of people in almost a year, so we were talking for a really long time. What is my dad doing? I don't know what my dad just came out, sorry. We just got back from doing deliveries, and we haven't seen people in almost a year, so even though they were porch deliveries, we did stop and talk to people for a little bit. So as you can tell now, it's nighttime, so I don't think we'll be taping out the van layout tonight, but
Project for tomorrow.
Yeah, project for tomorrow. We'll catch you then. Bye.
I hit a man in the face. Don't worry, I don't need any help. I got this.
Holy shit. And then we lost power. He still loves me. Right? Right?
Measure twice, cut once. Come on, who does that?